Yes, Sapna, I am audible to you.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning. Yes, how many points you have completed?
Regarding interview,
Yes,
sir, I have studied all the basics right now and some theory of practicals.
yes. कोई वीडियो नहीं आ रहा है वीडियो ओपन कीजिए.
Okay, sir.
Yes, first of all, basic introduce yourself. Then will be discussed.
Okay, sir. My name is Sapna, and I am from Tohana, district Fatehbad, Haryana. I have passed my 10th class examination from KM Saraswati Senior Secondary School, Tohana. After that, 12th class from Model KM School, Tohana. Then I have done my BSc Honors Chemistry from Miranda House College, Delhi University. After that, I passed my Masters in Chemistry from the same college. And during my MSc, I have qualified NET two times. After that, I joined private engineering college for teaching. So I have an experience of around 2.5 years of teaching. Then, along with the job, I was preparing for the government exams also. So I have cleared HSSC CET Group C exam, and currently I am working as a Gram Sachiv 2 in Panchayat Department, Haryana.
Yes, good. Yes, your name is Sapna. What the meaning of your name?
Sir, Sapna, as Sap- yes, sir, there are different meanings of my name, as it is a dream that we have a aim in life that we can achieve. So, and another one is that when we sleep, that the visuals we see during sleeping, that is also called dream. So, according to me, there are two meanings of my name. One is regarding the aim of life, and the second one is the visuals which appear at night while sleeping.
Yes, good. Next, what's your strength and weakness?
So my strengths are I am very very hardworking. I am very stick, and I am very focused about my goals, that I have to do this. So I do all the hard work to achieve that goal. But there are certain weakness of mine, is that I give up very quickly. Sometimes I thought that it is that I cannot do it. So I lose sometime patience also due to some conditions. I thought I'm not able to do it. I have not the capability to do it. So that is my weak point. But I will definitely overcome that. Yes, sir.
Yes, good. Next, what's your hobby?
Sir, my hobbies are actually I like drawing, so I make things of art and crafts, and I love dancing also. So, and I do some yoga, physical exercise during mornings. That's it.
Yes, good. Next, move on point number two. Point number two, your native place. Your state is Haryana. Your district name is
Fatyabad.
Fatehabad. Yes. How do you feel about your district? What the basic history of your district?
Sir, actually, Fatehabad is related to medieval history. It is built by the Firoz Shah Tughlaq. So there are many forts built by him in the Fatehabad, and there is nothing much about it about my district. But I have heard of some forts that was made by Firoz Shah Tughlaq, and the city is also built by him.
Yes, good. Now, what are the major role of your district in Haryana?
Major role? Don't know, sir.
Next, move on Haryana. How do you feel about your state? What the basic history of Haryana?
Sir, as we all have heard about the place Kurukshetra where the Mahabharat had occurred, so everyone familiar about it, the battle between the Kauravas and Pandavas. So uh, it is the land of warriors. So I think, and moreover, there are many female athletes, boxers that came out from my state, and my state is also going good in field of education and giving best in sports also. Like Sakshi Malik and Kalpana Chawla was from Karnal, that she also belonged to Haryana. So there are many female personalities that are emerging from Haryana right now. Yes.
Yes, good. May I see what are the major role of Haryana in our country, India? Like a political, economical, cultural, agricultural.
Yes. As Haryana means, it is also called Hari Bhumi, as it is famous for agriculture. So there are many crops that grown in Haryana, like rice, wheat. So that is the basic of our today's meal. So I think it contribute to agriculture in our country. So there is very much contribution of my state in terms of economy, as agriculture is basis of our country. Without agriculture, we can do nothing, we can't eat, and main economy is based on the agriculture, and my state is contributing to that in very much percentage.
Yes, good. Yes, how many district in Haryana?
Sir, there are 22 districts in Haryana.
NCR, many district attached in NCR region.
Not sure, but I think 10 to 12, don't know exactly, sir.
14.
14, okay. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Presently, who is education minister in Haryana state?
Don't know, sir.
Mahipal Danda.
Okay, Mahipal Danda. Okay,
Yes.
sir.
And cabinet education minister, central.
Sir, don't know. So I d- I don't know about the cabinet ministers and ministries right now.
Yes, yes.
So
Cabinet is
I will read about it.
yes,
I
sir.
will read about it.
Dharmen Pradhan. Yes, sir. You look them, you have to study about basic idea of the history of Haryana and
Sorry, sir.
basic. You look them, you have to study the education minister, MLA, MP in
Okay.
Haryana, political region.
Okay.
Next,
Sir, I'm not getting what are you saying? Sorry.
HPSC का जो पॉलिटिकल रीजन्स है जो एमएलए एमपी कितने हैं इसके बारे में थोड़ा आप स्टडी कीजिए यस क्योंकि
Okay, sir. Yes, I will. Okay, sir.
यस यू लुक देम यू हैव टू स्टडी अबाउट पॉलिटिकल रीजन्स
Okay, sir. Okay, definitely.
नेक्स्ट वन इज पॉइंट नंबर थर्ड इज लेबोरेटरी पार्ट titration analytical sections yes what is lab what the role of laboratory in your life
Sir, as when we go to studies, yes, theory is very important. First of all, we should read the theory, but along with the theory, we should have a practical knowledge regarding the topic. So through lab, through practicals, we can get that knowledge. Just reading books, just reading the topics, that is not enough, and we cannot remember the things just by reading. So when we do the things practically in the lab only, and see in the real life what is happening, for example, in chemistry, we perform certain reactions, we mix certain reactants, and the product is formed. If we just study, if we just read, then we cannot able to memorize, or we cannot able to understand the concept. But if we see that practical in the lab, by our eyes, then we can realize, yes, this is happening, how this is happening, and it will stick to our mind. So I think along with the theories, we should do practicals, and practical will clear our concepts more clearly. So that is the importance of laboratory and practicals
Yes, good.
in case of studies.
Yes. Next, what are the safety rules for laboratory?
Yes, sir. There are certain safety rules. For example, net wear a lab coat, and there are glasses. There are eyeglasses also, and we should wear the hand gloves, and we should cover our whole body as we should also wear shoes while performing the practicals. And girls, especially girls, do not wear that dupattas thing, because sometimes we are dealing with the heat also. So that thing should avoid, that can catch fire easily.
Yes, good. Yes, which type of equipment apparatus required for laboratory? Only basic.
So there are different apparatus for different practicals.
Yes, first basic. Basic only we need it. Basic equipment.
So basics are, for example, test tubes we need in every practical, uh, and beakers, watch glass, beakers, and conical flask, wire gauze, strap stand, burners. So I think that are the basics, and
Yes,
many
yes,
more are there
yes, yes.
also.
Yes, good, good. Next, move on the laboratory sections. Suppose if you get unknown organic mixture, how to identify the color, odor, acid, base, cations, anions in a lab?
Sir, sometimes just by looking at the sample, we can predict that this is that compound. For example, if it is white or other, because some compounds have specific colors, but that is just an idea. So the texture of the compound also is responsible for the identification of the compound. But we also do flame test for saturation and unsaturation also. For example, if we heat the sample, if it is giving sooty flame, we can say that the compound is unsaturated. If the flame is non-sooty, then we can say that the compound is saturated. And after that, for confirmation, we perform certain test that is specific to that functional group. And for cations and anions in inorganic catalyst, we have a proper scheme. For example, group 1, group 2, we have divided the cations in different groups. So group 1 will be separated by this method, group 2 will be separated by this method. Some, for example, group 2 are precipitated as sulfides. So there is a proper scheme that we have to follow, the whole scheme from group 1 to group 6.
Yes, good. Next one is basic point in laboratory is first is qualitative and quantitative analysis.
Yes, quantitative analysis is based on the quantity of the analyte or the sample which we are using, that how much, for example, we can say titration. In case of titration, we are measuring the quantity, how much concentration of the solution is there with the help of another standard solution. So this is quantitative. But in qualitative analysis, for example, in inorganic analysis, we are doing whether this cation is present or not. So this is qualitative analysis.
Yes, good. Yes, qualitative analysis first two basic things, elemental analysis and functional proof. How to detect element in a lab, nitrogen, sulfur, halogen.
Yes, sir. There are different tests for nitrogen, halogen, and sulfur right now, and I don't remember the exact name, but I have studied it. Uh, I think, sorry, sir, I don't remember right now. I have studied it. I forgot the name of the test that is for the nitrogen, halogen, and sulfur. Yes,
Yes.
I will study about it.
Okay, okay, no problem. You look them, you have to study. Next is functional group. What is functional group? Now how to identify the carbohydrate, aldehyde, ketone, acid, ester. in a lab?
Yes, the different compounds have different functional groups. So there are different tests for that. For example, if we can say carbohydrates, so yes, there is a different test for carbohydrates also. Right now, I don't remember any
Okay,
test,
no problem. Yes,
but I have studied. Yes, sir.
you look them. You have to study because laboratory part is
Yes, sir.
most important for your interview. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. I will study all the tests right now. I haven't studied that much. So.
Okay. Next one is point two is a quantitative analysis. Quantitative analysis is three basic things: volumetric, gravimetric, and instrumental analysis. What are the differences? Do you have any idea?
Sir, volumetric analysis is yes, we definitely find the volume of the sample. So, and the gravimetric, yes, in the gravimetry also we measure the mass of the samples. With the help of the mass of the sample, we do that gravimetric analysis. I have done this experiment in my college also. There is a glass chamber in which the sample is dried sample is there. So we have done this for copper sulfate. And when we heat the sample, the water crystallization removes and the copper sulfate remains there by weighing that. Uh, so there is by weighing the sample, we draw a curve also, thermogravimetric curve that is called. So we um draw a curve in which on one axis there is a mass of the sample and the another one there is a time. So how the mass of the sample changes with the time, so that with the help of that curve we can identify the nature or the weight, how weight loses during the process. So that is we have studied in gravimetric analysis. Or volumetric analysis for example, titration. In titration we do volumetric analysis. With the help of the titration we can identify the volumes, how much volume is there with the through the concentration terms, as we have studied different equations, n1 v1 and 2 v2. So with the help of that equations we can also identify the volumes. And instrumental analysis, there are different, for example, in spectroscopy, there are different types of spectroscopy. We have used a spectrophotometer in our college. So with the help of these instruments, we can also identify the samples also.
Yes, good. Is volumetric is two basic things. Is titration indicator. Do you have any idea what is titration? How many type of titration? What is indicator? How many type
Yes.
of indicator?
Yes, sir. Titration is a process in which we find the concentration of a given sample with the help of a standard solution. So this is the titration, and there are certain important things that are used in titration. First is titrate, and the second is titrant. Titrate which we put in the conical flask, and we that the concentration of that titrate we known, but the titrant is in the burette, and we have to identify first. We have to identify the concentration of that solution. So this is the titration. As in case of indicators, there are different indicators like acid base indicators. Generally, we have also used the litmus paper. It is also a natural indicator. So indicators like phenolphthalein, it is an acid base indicator. Methyl orange, it is also an acid base indicators. And there are different types of titrations also, like simple acid base titration, and complexometric titration, precipitation titrations, and yes, sir.
Yes, good. Next is point four is gravimetric analysis. Gravimetric analysis is identify the weight of the substance. Yes. Next 5 point is
Weight of.
instrumental analysis. 5.1. Which type of instrument you have used in your academic career?
Yes, sir, I have used spectrophotometer And so there are different practicals in physical chemistry. So in physical chemistry, we generally use instruments like pH meter, conductometer, and yes, sir.
Yes. Yes, first basic IR, NMR, UV. Do you have any idea about the basic only?
Yes, sir. Sir, IR, UV, and these are the electromagnetic radiations. So, for example, in IR, first of all, in spectroscopy, we study the interaction of electromagnetic radiations with matter. So, in case of IR, the radiations used are IR. So, when we fold the IR radiations on the sample will interact with the IR radiations, and there will be a transitions between the vibrational energy levels as the as the compound or the sample starts vibrating on interacting with the IR radiations. So these transitions we will study in IR spectroscopy. And in similar in case of UV also, when we fall the UV radiation on the sample will interact with the UV radiation, and there will be a transitions between the uh, electronic energy levels in case of UV. So the transitions between the electronic energy levels that we will study in the UV. So there are different energy levels in UV like sigma, pi, and pi star, sigma star. So the transitions between these levels we will study in the UV.
Yeah.
And similarly, microwave spectroscopy is there. That in case of microwave, we study the transitions between rotational energy levels as the molecules start rotating or interacting with the uh, microwaves.
Yes, good. What are the source of IR, IR, UV? Source.
Yes, sir. There are different sources. I think for UV, we use the tungsten lamp also. Right now, don't remember exactly, but yes, I have studied this. I will study, sir. Don't remember right now. Exact sources, I don't remember.
IR source is near IR is nest filament. For IR,
Okay, nest filament.
yes. For IR source is mercury arc. Yeah, global.
Okay, sir. Mercury arc, nest filament. Yes.
And next one UV. UV source is ultraviolet and visible.
Tungsten lamp is also the UV source, I think. Tungsten lamp, sir.
Yes, yes. Tungsten filament lamp is source is visible, but UV source is
Okay.
hydrogen deuterium discharge lamp.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Next is NMR.
Yes, sir. NMR is the nuclear magnetic resonance. In NMR, we use radio waves. When we fall the radio waves on the sample, the on interacting with the UV, on interacting with the radio waves, the nucleus or the proton that start oscillating between the energy levels. So, in NMR, we study the interaction of radio waves with the nuclei of the sample.
Yes. Good. Next, move on gas chromatography. Do you have any idea about the gas chromatography? How many type of gas chromatography?
Yes, sir, I have studied gas chromatography, but I don't know exactly. I haven't performed any experiment regarding this. I have done various other chromatography like paper chromatography, circular chromatography. Didn't perform the experiment of gas chromatography, but I will definitely study it. I just know there is a column in which the gases flow through. But I don't know exactly what is the principle behind this. So,
Yes. Okay. No. Next is HPLC. Do you have any idea about the HPLC? Basic.
yes, sir. High performance column liquid chromatography, but no, sir, don't know.
Okay, no problem. Next is AS, atomic absorption spectroscopy, AS, AES, flame photometry.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. AAS is atomic absorption spectroscopy, and AES is atomic emission spectroscopy. In AAS, when the electromagnetic radiation is fall on the atom will absorb that electromagnetic radiation, and on absorbing the radiation, it migrate from lower energy level to higher energy. So this absorption we will study in atomic absorption, as the molecule has absorbed the electromagnetic radiation. So this will be studied in atomic absorption spectroscopy. But in case of atomic emission spectroscopy, when the atom is in the higher energy state, so it is not stable, so it wants stability, it will come back to its ground state and releases certain amount of energy. So that energy we will study in atomic absorption spectroscopy.
Yes, good. Yes, today only basic. Yes, na. Your big section is qualitative analysis. Yes, na. You look them, you have to study. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yes. Next, move on. Point number 4. Point number 4. You did any project in your during your MSc? Any project?
Yes, sir. Quantum dots.
Quantum.
But I haven't right now studied that projects. Yes,
Okay.
quantum dot is the project.
Yes. So you look them,
Yes,
you
sir.
have to study about this topic. Yes, na.
Yes, sir. I will study deeply. Right now, I
Application
don't
of this
remember
topic.
anything.
So many questions from my side. Application of this topic, uses, beneficial of point from your side. Yes, na. Drawback, limitation, challenges. So many questions from my side. Yes, na. Presently, you do have any idea about your project?
Sir, actually, right now I can't say anything. I just know the basic what quantum dots are, nothing else. What are the yes, I also know about some applications also in the daily life, but nothing deeply
Okay, no
right
problem.
now. So
Only
I will
basic,
study it. I will study.
only basic
Yes, sir.
application of this topic.
Yes, sir.
Quantum dot. Yes, na. I think it 2024 Nobel Prize from quantum dot. Yes, na.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then we have to study. Next, point number 5. Point number 5 is HPSC organization. Yes, what the basic history of HPSC? How it is work HPSC in Haryana?
Sir, don't know. Right now, not studied regarding HPSC much. Don't know the history, sir. I just know that it is a recruitment agency and it conduct government exams
Yes,
for recruitment, nothing else.
yes, recruitment for A grade and B grade.
Yes, sir. Group A, Group B. Yes, sir.
Presently, who chairman in HPSC?
For good, sir.
Alok Kumar Verma.
I forgot, sir.
Alok Kumar Verma, former IFS officer.
Alok Kumar Verma. Okay, I will remember. Okay. Oh, Alok. Okay, sir.
Next one is why will you become an assistant professor in HPSC? Why you want to join HPSC as an assistant professor?
Sir, actually, I like teaching. So after MSc, I joined the college also. I love to interact with the students and I love to share my knowledge with the students. So I think this is the job in which I can share our knowledge with someone else. So as I love chemistry, I like this subject. So I think I am better able to spread the knowledge regarding these subjects to many people.
Yes, good. Yes, what are the major role of assistant professor in our education system?
Yes, as the higher education institution, they are the backbone of our country. So I think assistant professor that are working in these institutions, they play a major role in the education system. as the new generation, as the new generation is going to college. So they will become, some will become scientists, and they will choose their own profession. So it is the responsibility of the teacher in the college or the assistant professor in the college to guide them rightly, to clear their basics through deep knowledge. I think they have a great role. If the teacher is good, only then student will take interest in studies and read thoroughly. So, according to me, yes, the role of assistant professor is very, very much in education system. If we are not good enough to spread our knowledge to students, then they will not become what they want in life. So, yes. We should do our best in uh, doing our job.
Yes, good. Yes, what the basic difference teacher and assistant professor?
Yes, sir. Assistant professor is the post in higher education institutions. According to me, there is not much difference. Yes, assistant professor is also a teacher uh, who is sharing his or her knowledge to the students. Likewise, in schools, we just the names are different. According to me, nothing else. The job is same, just
Yes,
the profile is different, as we are working in college, so that's why we call them assistant professor, but the job is same. We are spreading the knowledge to the students.
yes, good. Next one is, suppose if you get selected in this post as assistant professor, what do you do in your department? And what are the new innovative idea, new innovative teaching skills for a student? How will you contribute your knowledge in your department?
Yes, sir. If Yes, sir. If I will select as a assistant professor, then first of all, I will focus on the basics. I have seen many times that the students just cram the things. So when I taught in college, the major problem that occur is the student don't understand the basic. They just cram the things, and also they get good marks. That is not the problem, but they don't have the clear basics. So I will first I will focus on the basics. For example, whichever topic is it, I will clear their basics. After that, I will go further. And sometimes, as in chemistry, we study microscopic things like atoms. Nucleus, so that is not seen in our daily life. So we can use visual representations, we can use ppts, we can use models, we can use videos to clear their basics. After that, I will conduct certain workshops on different projects. We can do science exhibitions also. Focus will be on practical knowledge, because practical knowledge is very important. With the help of practical knowledge, the students can clear their doubts very, very easily, as I have done this is in my own life, in my college life also. And I also got good marks in my bachelor's chemistry, so I will follow that thing and apply on the students also, if I will select as an assistant professor.
Yes, good. Next one is, suppose if you get selected in this post, so how do you see yourself after 10 to 15 years in your department?
Can you repeat, sir? Actually,
Yes. Suppose if you get selected in this post, so how do you see yourself after 10 to 15 years in your department?
okay, if I get selected in as an assistant professor, then after 10 to 15 years, I will, according to me, I will gain a lot of experience also, because we also learn from students also. And there were my colleagues also that are senior to me, so they taught me new things. So I will be a different person after 10 to 15 years. I will see as a more knowledgeable, more responsible person at that time.
Yes, good. Next, move on. Point number 6. Point number 6 is NEP 2020. NEP 2020. Yes, what the basic application of National Education Policy 2020?
Yes, a national education policies is 2020 is implemented recently, and it has changed the education system of our country. As the education, it it divided the education system. For example, there are uh, there are four parts it is divided in. For example, up to 5 years the primary education is given. After the 5 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, this is the formula of NEP 2020. For example, in the first 5 years, the child is given basic primary knowledge. After that, he will after 5 years he will join the school, and then at primary level, this kind of knowledge will be given to him. So first to third class, after third to sixth. So they have divided the uh, subjects according to the age, that the this age is because at certain age, so, so-
Yes, yes.
sorry, am I visible, sir?
Yes, yes, visible. Yes, carry on.
Yes. So we all know that we can learn things, or we can understand the things at a certain age. So different age group have different ability to grab the things, to understand the things. So they have very simply divided all the ages according to their ability to understand the things. So for example, in plus 2 class or plus 1 class, how they can choose their subjects. So this all is the NEP 2020, and they have also included some other recreational things. So like they use modern technology to to provide us education to the students also. So there is a role of modern technologies also there in the current education policy, and sir, many more.
Yes, good. Yes, today only basic. Next one is what's your 5 favorite topic for demo in chemistry?
Sir, first is definitely coordination chemistry,
Coordination.
and yes, coordination. In coordination CFT, if I will get a chance to perform a demo, then I will teach CFT.
Yes,
And
second
then
one.
second one is right now. Yeah, sir, I haven't decided yet actually.
Reaction
Can,
mechanics, thermokinetic, chemical equilibrium. Which one you have completed?
sir, chemical equilibrium or spectroscopy, I can say physical spectroscopy, and not the thermo. Thermo is my weak topics.
Equilibrium.
Yes, sir.
Chemical equilibrium, kinetic, and organic.
Kinetics, yes, sir. Inorganic, inorganic, nucleophilic substitution reaction.
Organic, nucleophilic.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Uh,
yes. ये बेसिक है आपके डेमो, इनको आप तैयार करना. You look them, you have to study. Next